Gran Automatic Counting and Bottle Filling Machine is designed for accurate counting and bottle filling of all kinds of tablets and capsules. The number of tablets or capsules counted can be set up within the range of 0 to 9,999. This counting machine can be connected with a bottle filling machine, desiccant inserting machine, capping machine, aluminum foil sealing machine, and labeling machine to be a fully automatic production line.